Hey, what's up everyone? We're at this job here in Brooklyn. Customer complaining about mice coming up into the upper levels. As you can see here, there's all this foam which was done incorrectly. Got some gaps right there all along. As you can see here, you got gaps everywhere that go pretty much into the floor joists all along this. There's a best example, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some dust work. We're going to take out all this, I don't know, orange foam or whatever this may be. We're going to put in some IPF foam. Then we're going to put down some quarter wrench, and we're going to put down some sheet metaling to spots where it's, you know, conducive. And we're going to do pretty much all the way down and around this basement. Then we're going to take it to the first floor. We're also going to seal up whatever needs to be sealed up there, put down some tamper resistant bait stations, and put them on a monthly schedule to come back and see what goes on. If anyone should need any type of rat, mice, roaches, bed bug services, termite inspections, etc., give us a call, 212-756-9996.